Hey, hi, yeah.
Hello, sir.
What is your good name?
Nitin, sir.
Nitin. Hi, Nitin. How are you doing today?
Sir, fine, sir.
You're fine. And today we'll discuss about some of the Java interview questions.
Yes.
See, mainly we'll focus on core Java part today,
Yes.
and some of the concept only will cover
Okay.
basics of Java, and also will cover on strings
Yes.
and then exception handling. Some of the questions from the OOPS side.
Okay.
See, can you introduce first of all from your side?
Yes, sir. My name is Nitin Negde.
Hmm.
I am from Kolar.
Mm.
I have completed my degree in Bachelor of Engineering in the branch of Electronics and Communication.
Mm.
And I have my hobbies are listening to the music and playing games.
Mm.
And my skills are includes basics of Java and basics of SQL.
Okay, great.
Yes.
And see, can you explain me different class loaders available in Java?
Yeah, class loaders are available. The class loaders that are available in Java are Bootstrap class loaders, extension class loaders, and system or application class loaders.
Okay, why will use Bootstrap class loader?
Bootstrap class loader is used to convert used when the to load all the .class file present in the rt.jar file.
Okay, same as extension class loader.
Extension class loader is to load all the .class file present in .exe files.
Okay, okay. Then what is the difference between heap and stack in Java?
Heap memory contains objects and arrays, whereas stack memory contains object references, local variables, and method calls.
Can you repeat answer again?
Yeah, heap area stores objects and arrays, whereas stack area stores object references, local variables, and method calls.
And is there any other difference?
Yeah, yes. Heap area have large memory and stack area have less memory.
Again?
Heap memory have heap memory stores heap memory is not thread safe, whereas stack memory is thread safe.
Great, good, good.
Yeah.
Good explanation for this question. And again, we'll go to some other concept. What is the difference between string and string buffer and builder?
String is immutable and string buffer and builder are mutable. String has SCP and string builder and buffer doesn't have SCP. And string equal method is overriding in the string, and equal method is not overriding string builder and buffer. String can be written in literal way and new keyword using new keyword. String builder and buffer can be written only using new keyword.
Okay, great. Good to hear that. And again, one more question I will ask.
Yes.
What is the difference between string buffer and builder?
String buffer and builder. String builder is string builder and string buffer. I will take it as string builder and string builder is synchronized. String buffer is not synchronized.
String builder is synchronized.
No, string buffer is synchronized. String builder is not synchronized. String buffer is not is thread safe since it is synchronized. String builder is not thread safe since it is not synchronized. It is strong. It is more strong compared to the string builder.
Okay. Which is having more performance between?
Yeah, more performance. String buffer has more performance, and string builder
buffer has more performance.
It has less performance, sir.
Okay.
It has string builder has more performance.
String builder has more performance,
Yes,
and string buffer has less performance. Great. And we'll go to why string is immutable?
A string is immutable because it has SCP.
Because of SCP.
Yes.
Okay. What is the reason? How internally it is implementing in SCP? What is the reason?
SCP, it's if a string has the same references, it will be stored in the SCP area. It is the part of a heap area which will be stored in the all the same reference will be stored in the SCP.
That is the reason if you are changing any one object, every object is getting changed in every reference.
Every reference is getting changed.
And suppose same as string. Suppose if you want to create our own custom immutable class.
Yeah, custom immutable classes can be done by declaring a class as final, and next you can declare variables as final and along with private. Since private it will be executed only in the same class, and then we can keep getters and we should not keep setters. Then we have to use parameterized constructor.
Parameterized constructor. Okay, great. Good answer for that. And again, we will go to one more concept. What is the difference between equals operator and equals method?
Yeah, equal is a first difference is itself equal is an operator and equal is a method. And equal operator is used to compare the references and variables, where equal method is used to compare the content of the object. And equal operators they can be They are not. They can compare conflicting objects, but equal method cannot compare conflicting objects.
Yeah.
And equal operator is cannot be overridden. Equal method can be overridden.
Great, great, good explanation. Really, you went very nice. For in Java.
Yes.
So one more, we'll go to exception handling.
Yes.
What is the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions?
Checked exceptions are occurred at the compile time, and unchecked exceptions are occurred at the runtime. Checked exceptions. Checked exception. The compilation is not required for compilation is required for checked exceptions. Compilation is not required for unchecked exceptions. And in checked exceptions, the compilation.
Okay.
Yes.
What are the examples for checked exceptions?
Checked exceptions like SQL exception, SQL exceptions, IO exceptions. For unchecked exceptions, the examples like array index out of bound, index out of bound exceptions. Class
And
cast
what
exception.
is the difference between throws and throw?
Yeah, throw is a keyword which is used to throw exceptions explicitly. Throws is a keyword which is used to declare exceptions at the time of the executing the code. And throw the instance variable follows throw keyword. The exception class names follows throws keyword.
Okay. One more. What is the use of finally black in Java?
Finally block is used for the cleanup process. It is followed by try and catch method, and it is used to. It is a mandatory block.
What are the rules for exception in the method overriding concept?
Yeah. First, if the superclass it doesn't throws any exceptions, and subclass declares the exception, it should be an unchecked exception. And second rule is that if superclass declare an exception, the subclass exception should be the same, or it can if it doesn't throw any exception, it's also it can be done. And another, it should be the subclass. It should be the most specific class in the subclass.
Okay, great. Thanks for your coming here,
Yes.
and you had explained very nicely.
Yes.
We'll meet you again.
Okay. Thank you.
Nice. Thank you.
Thank you.